Are you a business owner and frustrated trying different marketing strategies? If yes, my B2B services can help you grow business strategically that builds a strong foundation for unstoppable growth. We can help you build an actionable marketing plan that will help you understand real-time market and narrates easy-to-follow steps to generate qualified leads. Wondering what you will get inside the marketing plan? Here we go. Understand the real-time market. Step-by-step actionable plan. Detailed website audit. Blog and email newsletter ideas. Social media calendar. Ad copies for Google and Facebook. Budget for 1 year. Execution sheet to track growth. 1-hour Zoom call with marketing expert. After receiving DIY plan, 98% of our clients feel confident in their marketing abilities and are immediately able to put their plans into action. Don't wait, get started. www.fiverr.com/myb2bservices